Hello everyone and welcome back to Brev Code, and in this video I'll teach you how you can add images into your Kivy app. Let's get right into it. So this is the 10th tutorial of my Kivy series. So by the end of this video you have a great understanding of how to use images into your Kivy app. Now as you can see on my screen we have a little Python file. This is a small Python file, as you can see. Of course, this is some boilerplate code which we always write at every start of each video. Now let's start working. So the first thing we need to do is import image from Kivy. So type in here from kivy.uix.image import image. So we have imported the image class from the Kivy UIX image module. So now let's actually create our image class. So type in class my image. It inherits from image, and this can pass for now since we're not going to handle the functionality in here because we're going to use a Kivy file. Now you do need to have an image on your PC. For me, I have an image of a minion, and then here I have my.kv and tutorial 10. So here, if I just open this, this is a PNG file, as you can see here. But now we can also display this in our Kivy app. So we're going to close this file explorer since we're not going to be using it for now. So now let's go to my.kv, and now here just type in my image with these angled brackets. And now let's actually set the source of our image. So type in source, and we can say minion.png, which is the name of my image I have. You can use your own image if you want, but then if you want to use the same one I have, go check the description. There'll be a link to that image. But then just enter the correct name of your image. But then if you want to use mine, again it's in the description. Then here let's go into the main app class. Type in return my image. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see we get the image of our minion. Now the cool thing, we can also rescale this. So if I just rescale this to any size, it still fits. Even if I just scale this down, it still fits. I can even scale this down and up, it still fits. Even if I go full screen, the image will still fit. Now you can also do this without needing a Kivy file. So here we can just remove that for now, and here we can also remove this as well. Now the reason why you should remove the code from the Kivy file, because if we have both without our Kivy file, it's going to give us an error. So it's very important you keep it empty for now. So now if instead of having to return my image, so I just return image and set the source to minion.png, which is the name of mine. And now let's run our program. As you can see, we still get the same image of the minion. Now, what if we want to get images from the internet? Well, there is a way to do that. So I have to undo all this. Now, instead of having to import image, we'll have to import async image. So yeah, from kivy.ux.image import async image. Let's go into my image, type in async, which is the name of our image. So let's save that as well. Go to a web browser. I'm going to use this image into our Kivy app. I will show leave this link in the description if you want to use it. Now, instead of having to set the source to minion.png, you can just paste that in, save this, and now we can just run our program. We get this loading screen. Of course, we do get an error, but that just tells us our program is working fine. Of course, I'm off the internet for now. But then this is pretty much it for Kivy images. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this tutorial, or you have any feedback, then do leave them down in the comments section down below. I will reply to you. If you found this tutorial quite helpful, then like if you appreciate it, really does help me out. And subscribe now and hit the bell so you miss some future videos. In the next video of this Kivy series, I'm going to show you how to add sounds into your Kivy app. So subscribe so you don't miss on that. And otherwise, that's it from today. Cheers and goodbye.